We're going to be upgrading the memory in this small form factor PC. This is the Lenovo ThinkCentre. The model of it is the M73. This center screw right over here is the main one that we want to remove. The ones on the side aren't so important. This is the memory they're going to be using to upgrade it. It is 8 gig modules. I have 2 of them, so 16 gigabytes in total. I'll link this down below. It is compatible with this PC. To get started, all we have to do is remove this one screw. Then we can go ahead and slide open the cover. We have to remove the hard drive in order to install the RAM, and there's 2 screws that we have to remove. Once we have those screws removed, there's a notch right over here that we have to use to slide up. If we don't slide up, we're not going to be able to remove the hard drive. So that is key. We'll go ahead and just move it over. The hard drive's still plugged in. We can still go ahead and proceed. You can see that we have the 2 current RAM modules that are inside. There are 2 metal clips on each side that we just have to slide apart and the chip will pop up. There we go. So we can go ahead and remove it. And we'll do the same thing with the other chip. I'm going to go ahead and open up my new RAM module. And here it is, and you can see that there is a notch. Now this notch has to match up with the one over here on the board. So it can only go in one way. I just have to turn this around. I could go ahead and slide it in. You're going to want to put this in on an angle, and then you can go ahead and press down. And we'll repeat that process with the second one. Okay, the installation is now complete. We can go ahead and put back in the hard drive. And we'll place back in the screws that we removed. And that's all there is to it to upgrade the RAM in this Lenovo ThinkCentre M73 small form factor PC. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please smash the like button. Thank you for watching. Catch you on the next one.